Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. end-of-day recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Thursday, August 13th, 2026. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were all up today, with new all-time closing highs across the board. The S&P 500 closed at 7,798.86, up 50.36 points, breaking out after 4 flat days. The Nasdaq Composite jumped 216.74 points, or 0.81%, to 26,805.23, its second straight higher close. Market breadth confirmed the rally, with advancers outpacing decliners across every index. The S&P 500 saw 316 advancers to 169 decliners, while the Russell 2000 showed a similarly strong tilt. 1,016 gainers versus 734 laggards, reflecting broad-based participation in the advance. Looking at returns, the Russell 2000 leads year-to-date with a gain of nearly 23%, followed by the S&P 400 mid-cap at over 18%. The Nasdaq Composite posted the strongest month-to-date return, up more than 5.6%. Sectors were broadly higher today, led by communication services up 1.5% after 3 flat days, and real estate rising 1.3%. Financial services notched a new all-time closing high, breaking out after 6 days of sideways trading. The laggards were mild by comparison. Basic materials fell 0.72%, its third straight down day, while energy, industrials, and healthcare each slipped less than 0.1%, staying within strong underlying uptrends. Global markets were all higher today. The South Korea ETF led gainers, up 1.6% for its third consecutive higher close, followed by Taiwan, up 1.2%. The Netherlands ETF also notched a new all-time closing high. On returns, South Korea stands out with an 83.9% year-to-date gain, far outpacing the group. Taiwan follows at nearly 70%, while Netherlands and Israel posted more modest, though still solid, year-to-date returns. Tech's biggest names were mostly higher today. Apple closed at 305.26, up 3.1, though its trend remains mixed. Alphabet gained 1.57 to 343.94. Amazon slipped for a third straight session to 265.13, despite holding a strong upward trend. Meta Platforms jumped 2.7% to 594.97, snapping a 3-day flat stretch, while Nvidia rose for a second consecutive day to 225.30, extending its strong positive trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin sits at 63,407.27, down 4.45, now falling for 5 straight days in a very strong negative trend. Ethereum is up at 1,887.44, but has stayed flat for 4 days. BNB and Solana are both drifting sideways, while Dogecoin ticks up to 0.0702, despite a very strong negative trend. Looking at returns, the year-to-date picture remains rough across the board. Dogecoin is down the most, off 40.11% year-to-date, with Solana closed behind at negative 38.72%. BNB holds up relatively better, down 29.3%. On the month, Solana leads with a 4.77% gain, while Bitcoin lags with a modest 0.93% monthly return.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback is mixed against major currencies today. It's little changed against the euro at 0.8672, and up slightly against the pound, yen, and Swiss franc, though the dollar continues a strong negative trend against both the pound and yen. Against the Aussie dollar, the greenback slipped to 1.4163, extending a strong negative trend there as well.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts, Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.